Hello everyone. When it comes to law of attraction, people ask, is it something for real? Or is it something that just people believe in? And some luck happens, some coordination happens, some coincidence happen, and people term it as law of attraction and manifestation and things happening your way and power of belief. Understand this, that in the universe, till the time you say, we will believe when we see, things are not going to be manifested. You won't be achieving great wonders or miracles. You need to believe first. You need to see it in your mind, in your own inner space first. Then you'll see it in reality. Look at the Wright brothers. When they are inventing something to fly, they believed in it. They just believed in it before it came into reality. They manifested it in reality, but had they not had such a powerful belief in their own idea, in their own concept, then law of attraction won't have worked, and then an aeroplane and flying for humans won't have be reality because they had their own failures, they had their own setbacks. But in all those failures and setbacks, they didn't give up. They didn't just assume that it's not happening. They kept on doing it. This is the level of belief that we all need to develop. Until and unless we have that level of belief, we won't be seeing the miracles we want in our life. And one short way is gratitude. Isn't your existence a miracle in itself? You should be grateful about being your own self. You should be grateful about having your existence in this vast universe and being a part of that, being an integral part of this vast creation. You should be grateful for that. The moment you start comparing yourself that this person is better than me or I am better than that person, you are spoiling and killing your own uniqueness. And you are closing the doors for wonders to come into your life. And that is what you need to stop doing immediately. Be grateful, be happy for who you are. And start noticing the small gifts that you receive every day in your life. Very first gift that you have got is your inner existence. You may be having bad times, harsh times, but remember, universe is teaching you something. It is trying to make you stronger. That is why it is giving you those. And the moment you accept this fact and move on and learn to adopt and grow, you'll see things happening on your own, uh, according to your own terms and conditions. You'll see manifestations becoming easy. See success coming fast. This is how law of attraction works. And you need to believe first, then you'll see. And remember, you are the proof. Start noticing the small gifts in your life. Be grateful. And you'll automatically, in some period of time, see your life turn better in splendid ways. Have a great day and great life, everyone.